How to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So the first platform that we need is Pinterest. So if you don't have an account in this platform, I advise you to create your account or create your new account. If you already have an account, you just log into your account. And this is the home feed of the platform or the website. The second thing we need is the Amazon.com Associates. As you can see here, Amazon Associates. So you need to create an account on Amazon Associates. So basically, Amazon Associates is a platform where you can take or create your affiliate links on Amazon.com platform. So when you log in, when you create your account on Amazon.com, on Amazon Associates, you log into Amazon.com, you log into your Amazon.com, it's still Amazon Associates, wait a minute, log into Amazon.com, and here you can see you have your Amazon Associates links. So here you can create your affiliate link. So the idea is this: you go to Pinterest, you choose a niche that you're going to work on, and you search for that niche. So after choosing your niche, and it's very important to choose a niche, don't work randomly on various niches. Choose one niche and stick to it. So the idea is this: we will look, we will search for that niche on Pinterest, and we will see the viral posts that people upload on that niche, and we will look for a viral post or a post that we like. We will take that post and repost it on our account, and then we will go to Amazon.com. We will look for a product that goes with that niche, and we will take the link and we will put it on our post that we created. So without a further ado, let's get into it, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here, after typing our niche, I'm going to look for a good post where a good post that we can re-upload on our account, and a good post that's going to go viral. So I'm just going to give you an example. I'm going to take a random post. You can always, guys, be creative and create your own posts using canva.com. You can also do the affiliate links with other websites, not just Amazon.com. So I'm going to go with this niche, with this post. Let's see, check out optimization, a guide for e-commerce retailers. So I'm going to take this post. So this is just an example, guys. So after taking this post, you hit create and you click on create idea pin, open in a new tab, and then we go to the new tab and we hit create new, and we drag our image, we drop it here, wait for it to be uploaded, and we go to the previous post, we copy the title, copy, and we add our title, then we go back, we take the description, copy, So this is just an example, guys. Don't focus on the mistakes that I make. I'm just showing you the way you can do that. So after typing the description, you go to amazon.com and you look for a product that goes along with your niche. So let's type in our niche. So this is our niche and we click search. So after searching, we have here a lot of books. So let's go to sorted by and we click on most reviews. So let's go with most reviews. You can also go with average customer review, high to low, low to high. That's regarding the price. And here you can see we have a lot of books. This is a bestseller. So we click on it. And after clicking on it, we take the link. From here, we click on text. Click on text. And this is our link. And we take the link and we add our link here. And here we need to type in tags that are aligned with our niche. So make sure, guys, to add a lot of tags, as much as you can, because tags help the post go viral and improves your account reach. So make sure to add a lot of tags. So let's start with e-commerce tags. E-commerce. Let's see what else we have here. Online retail. Selling online. Shopping. We have no tag in this topic. Let's go also with business ideas. And I guess you get the idea, guys. Just make sure to add a lot of tags. And after you're done, you check the tags, your link, check the description, title, the image, and then you hit publish. And your post will be published in a minute. So guys, make sure to upload from 10 to 20 posts a day on the same niche. Focus on one niche and you will see the results in a month or so. So this idea, after someone clicks on our link, it takes it to the Amazon website, and after buying the product, we will get a commission from that. Even if he didn't buy the same product or just keep scrolling and buys another product, we will still get our commission. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.